day 11, and this is the last leg, last segment of Mindanao section, and we're looking forward to be meeting Mayor Alfred and Kix, our pastor in Tacloban. I'll be seeing them as soon as we reach the tip of Surigao. Our route today is, this is still right past Cabadbaran City, where we left off yesterday. We're gonna go towards Santiago, and then up to Surigao today. We might cover around 64 to 65 kilometers, and so I'll be seeing you at the midpoint. We're ready to go. It's what time is it now? 2:20, and we're about to just go ahead and get this at the gun start, and we're ready to go. Everyone's here. We have two guys from Cabadbaran City Runners Club, Mel and Fernando. Mas maganda yata yun,
Yeah.
and the rest of our team who's been with us all along, way at Bayugan. And so everybody say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Good morning. Morning. Hindi tayo makita kasi lahat tayo maitim na eh. Okay, I'll see you at the midpoint.